All right. So this, hey everybody, welcome back, part
Welcome
two.
back.
So I'll put the link back to part one of like how to get to this particular page. And this video, part two, we're gonna discuss how to choose a template of your getting started and which templates to use, and then we're gonna actually set up the template. This is gonna be the template, not from scratch, so you have at least a foundation. Renzo, anything else you want to add to that? Like why they should choose a template, maybe?
For the first one, a template will help you understand how the ad works. Like there's an image, there's creatives here, word is here. You'll be able to replace each word instead of guessing. Like on the side, you'll see in a minute when we do ads, you'll be like, where does this go? What am I writing here? Where's that going to go? This is kind of like it's setting it for you. You could change the words. Don't worry about the picture. You could change the picture too. This is
Yeah.
just so you could get knowledge and kind of see how something's built. As you get better, obviously you won't need templates.
Yeah, this is like, yeah, you're right. A lot of people like they're just getting started and they're like, oh, I don't need a template. I'm just gonna just do it myself.
No, don't do that.
Don't,
Don't
yeah,
do that.
don't do that.
Don't
Don't
do
do that.
that.
All right, so let's click on choose a template. What does that look like? So within your system, you notice there's a lot of things loading in. There's a lot of things loading in, and you're like, what just loaded in? So the template is the first thing we're gonna discuss. Once you load it in your template, we're gonna discuss different parts of an ad. What's the campaign? What is the ad set? What's the ad? There's different parts to it. Let's get into the first step. What is objective? So, Renzo, do you want to go back and forth on this very first one before we get to the next three?
Yeah. Let's talk to the objective. Can you
Yeah,
click
yeah.
the bar down?
Um,
Show all
which
the
bar?
different versions. The drop down menu next to lead generation.
Okay,
This there. So it shows all three of them.
yeah.
So we
So
got
all
lead
th
generation, web traffic, and engagement and sales.
yeah.
And each one has a different price point, believe me. Some of these cost more than others.
Yeah, I think a lot of beginners, if you want to take a note of this and as you're seeing this stuff, please write it down. Your objectives is based on your goals. So a lot of people they want leads. So a lead is a form submission, and let me just write it down for you here. A lead is a thing, a form submission. So a lead is
Name, email, telephone number, depending what other information, address. Sometimes I'm a home improvement guy. I would want the address too.
yeah. So let's do like basic. You could do basic, but very people are like confused, like what is a lead? And we're gonna get into that. Um, a typical mistake I see people making, Renzo, is that once they create, they like, all right, I want more leads, but then I want more traffic, and then I want more engagement, then I want more sales. If you want more form submissions, go to lead. If you want more sales, if you want more purchases, you're if you're selling a
Ecom.
product, a course, just focus on sales. Let's get into the first one. It's going to be lead gen.
I think that's a basic one that
The
everybody
big,
needs. Everybody
yeah,
needs lead generation. I don't care who you are. You need some leads.
yeah. So lead is a form submission. All right. Special category. If your ad falls into special categories, ensure to select appropriate category from the list to apply with your local laws and regulations for a smooth campaign review. Means that if you are discussing about, um, let's say, unemployment, you're discussing about Section 8 housing, if you're discussing politics, those
Money,
do have
family,
some categories you
restrictions.
have to follow. But let's
Way to
just
look it up, I found out is like ChatGPT helps it. You throw those words in then how to be correct. Trust me, these will get your ads shut off. So you got to
yeah,
be very careful.
I would say if you have any questions, put in the comments or
Yeah, totally
ask
ask us.
or ask anybody like what does this mean? But we're gonna get into probably create different videos based on this. But let's just do basic lead generation application. So hopefully that helps out with the lead generation, sales, Let me discuss the next two things. Website traffic is good for like retargeting. Let's say you want so much people to keep on remembering you, to stay following you. It's just to like always be in front and just keep on visiting a website. It's no goals. It's no forms. It's no,
You're not going to make money off
you're
of
not
it.
gonna make money. It's just to
It's a
remember you.
billboard. It's basically like billboard.
Yes. Yeah. Engagement is if somebody clicks on your ad, you want somebody to comment below or send you a live chat message. Those are really good. Again, if you're doing support, any type of live chat, if you want something engaged with you, this is like if you want to engage with your previous people, this is just like a live chat. Again, different scenarios, different ways, but just stick to like lead generation first and then move on to the next one. All right. So in the next video, we're going to discuss how to target people, but in this video is objection. So let's go to and this click the next link below for part 3,
Yeah,
and
don't
let's
forget to push
discuss
save. Push save. Gotta hit save before we go.
what do you mean save? What do you mean?
Everybody always forgets to hit save.
Yes, press
Save.
save. Save.
Save. We'll see you in the next one.
All right, see you in the next one.